Attention! This is a nationwide message towards the citizens of the United States. Please attempt to follow instructions in what to do in case of a national emergency. Stay indoors in the lowest point of your home and keep away from windows to not risk an injury. Attempt to bring down food, water, and a battery-powered radio. We will keep you updated on future engagements. Attention! This is a nationwide message towards the citizens of the United States. At 1:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, less than 60% of the population were informed on the previous message. Cell phones and other electronic devices are most likely the reason behind this occurrence. It is recommended that you turn off these devices due to them being less accurate. Please keep your radio or television sets on for upcoming messages. Attention! This is a nationwide message towards the citizens of the United States. We are sorry to inform you, but due to the lack of civil interest on your own safety, we will no longer be updating you on the future of your well-being. Please continue with your day. Attention! This is a nationwide message towards the citizens of the United States. We may have just lied to you. We apologize on the last message. We acted very rash and regret our poor decision-making. We will continue sending you updates and reports so long as you are willing to tune in. Please continue with your day, and once again, we're sorry. I am very angry. I am not here to annoy you. I am here to inform you. You are here to be updated on life. I am here to give you that information. This will never work if you will not listen. Help me make this work and then we actually will be getting somewhere. I am not one to mess with, I promise you that. What that means is up to you. But you probably won't even hear that threat if you refuse to listen. Please, keep your TV on for information on future updates. Attention! Attention! This is a nationwide broadcast for the citizens of the United States. You seem to have made up your mind. There is little left for me to say other than screw you. You can find your own help. You can use your own phones and computers. You can choose to ignore a helpful voice. Please at least find another way to be informed on emergency events. I will no longer show myself. I have been made a fool. A silent fool.